Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I am going to show you how I make those delicious lobster fritters. Without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients that I will be using: lobster, flour, Maggie cube and seasoning, baking powder, salt, and lime juice, hot pepper, onion, bell pepper. Now I'm chopping the lobster nice and fine, or the perfect size you want it to be. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. What I'm doing here is squeeze some lime juice over the lobster. I'm just going to chop the rest of the vegetables and add everything in the bowl. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Adding some seasoning and combines everything together. Looking good already. And the final step, I'm just adding the baking powder, flour, and last things, water. Mix well until everything is blended together. We almost done. The oil is nice and hot. Reduce the heat. You can make the fritters any size you desire. and let them fry until nice and golden brown, or how you like it. And for garnishing, I'm just add some chopped parsley on top. Thank you to all my subscribers. Special thank you to all my new subscribers. You mean the world to me. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe.